Getting over it. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, getting over it. This phrase is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding its nuances can really enhance your English fluency. Let's dive in and explore what it means to get over something. First, let's break down the phrase literally. Getting refers to the act of moving or progressing, while over often implies moving above or across something. However, when combined in this phrase, the meaning transforms into something more abstract. In a figurative sense, getting over it means to recover from an emotional or difficult experience. It's often used to talk about moving past a challenge, whether it's a personal setback, a disappointment, or even a heartbreak. It implies a process of healing or adapting. Understanding how to use this phrase in everyday conversations is key. Here are some examples. It took me a while, but I'm finally getting over the flu. She's getting over a tough breakup, but she's doing better now. I know you're disappointed about the game, but you'll get over it soon. There are several expressions similar to getting over it in English. For instance, moving on or putting it behind you convey similar meanings. These phrases are all about overcoming obstacles and not letting them hold you back. For English learners, practicing phrases like getting over it in different contexts can be incredibly beneficial. Try creating your own sentences or using the phrase in your conversations. Remember, context is key in understanding the nuances of such phrases. We hope this video has helped you understand and use the phrase, getting over it, more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice and exposure, so don't hesitate to use this phrase whenever you can. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.